Good day. All right, your next witness?
Judge, that would be Amy Shotwell.
Amy Shockwell.
Do you swear or affirm to testify truthfully in this case under penalty of law? Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Could you please state your name and occupation for the court report?
Yes, Amy Shotwell. I work at Silver Eagle Group in Ashburn
All right. How long have you worked at Silver Eagle Group?
since 2012.
Okay, so taking you back to February 24th of 2023, in the 3 to 4 months preceding February, were you employed at Silver Eagle?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do there?
Okay.
I should.
I am a manager. I'm the responsible party on the business's federal firearms license and the custodian of records for that purpose.
All right, and so did you provide us with some records for
Yes.
this case? Okay, I'm going to ask I'm going to ask the court to please admit Commonwealth's 159 into evidence.
Any objection to 159? All right, 159 in evidence.
All
Published.
right, Ms. Shotwell, if you'll take a look at these documents, I'm going to scroll through them. Do you recognize these documents?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with number one. What do we have here? A firearms transaction record. What does this tell us?
This is a federal form that is completed when a prospective purchaser of a firearm wants to take possession of it from a dealer. So it's a transaction between a dealer and an individual to purchase a firearm.
Okay. And looking here at page number 7, is that a continuation of that transaction record?
That is the background check that is used in conjunction with the federal form.
Okay. All right, and here on page 11, what do we have? Is this a record from your company?
This is a record from our check-in software at our front desk for customers who come in to use the range.
Okay, and so whose record is this?
Brendan Banfield.
Okay, and these check-in dates, are those the number of times that he appeared at your range?
Presumably.
Okay, and what do people do at your range? What
Shoot-
type of range is it?
Firearms shooting?
Okay,
Okay.
and we can see that he was present on October 29th and then again December 23rd, both in 2022. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. What is this document here?
That is the receipt of payment for a firearm in conjunction with the federal form that you first showed me.
Okay, so this is a purchase for a Glock 43X pistol, is that correct?
Yes.
And that purchase was made on what date?
January 28th, 2023.
Thank you. All right, and we have another visit detail. Who is this one tracking the visits of?
Juliana Perez.
Okay, and she appeared on those same dates as Mr. Banfield, is that correct? October 29th and December 23rd of 2022?
It appears so.
All right. In your search of your business records, did you come across any record indicating that Christine Banfield had used the firing range?
I did not.
Or any record that Christine Banfield had accompanied her husband to use the firing range?
I did not find a record under that name.
Okay, thank you. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Cross-examination?
Good afternoon, Ms. Shotwell.
Good afternoon.
My name is John Carroll. If I ask any questions you don't understand, just let me know, please.
Mr. Carroll, could you raise your microphone up a little bit? You're just a little taller than the
Yes,
stands.
yes.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Who's Samuel Hummel?
He was an employee at Silver Eagle Group on the date that the firearms transaction occurred.
Okay, and he's the, because it says on the one of the forms that you were just looking at and you identified that he was the firearm transferor, correct?
He was the representative of the business. So the business information is on one of the pages above his name as well. But yes, he was the employee who assisted.
And he's no longer there?
Correct, he's in Texas.
Okay, so the actual details of the firearm transaction, if my client were to say why he got it, anything like that, that wouldn't show in those records?
Why your client purchased a
Yeah,
firearm? There's
why,
no
or any sort
reason,
of discussion that went along with that?
there's none of that information included in that paperwork.
Gotcha. And the entrance, and I guess there's no exit, there's just entrance records. That just shows from a computer printout that these are the days that these people went there, correct?
Yes,
And in order to find out if somebody else had gone with them on a certain date, we'd have to tell you what name and then try to line them up, correct?
yes,
Okay, so you were requested to get the records for Juliana Perez Magalhães and my client, correct?
yes,
And so that's why those actions connect up.
yes.
Now, would you have any knowledge as to whether the new firearm that was purchased in the purchasing record was ever used by Brendan Banfield or Juliana Perez Magalhães?
No, I would not have that
There would be
information.
no information to that? Okay.
Correct.
Would you have recognized my client?
No,
Okay, so you're just strictly the documents and these are the records and this is that? Okay.
correct.
Well, I won't ask any questions you're not going to have the answers for, so thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
All right, redirect? All right, I assume she's not subject to recall?
She is not subject to
Okay.
recall. Thank you.
You're free to go. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your next witness?
Go forth and conquer.
Judge, it's going to be, Douglas Gudekunst.
Okay.